Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best out there for you. Today we will take a look at the best electric power pressure washers. All the links for the products we mention are in the description below. An electric power pressure washer is quick, very powerful, convenient for you, and great for the environment as it uses far less water than a traditional hose. This type of washer provides incredible deep cleaning protection and revitalizes your car's appearance. Being multi-purpose, it can be used to clean up loads of mess and stains on a wide range of surfaces, not only cars and trucks, but also cement, pools and pavements. Instead of spending hours scrubbing on your hands and knees, after a few trigger-happy minutes, all troublesome stains and dirt will be gone. Pressure washers are a quick, convenient and cost-effective way to keep your car looking showroom clean, and it'll be really useful for out-of-reach areas and spot cleaning. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tool-based gifts for you to give. Remember, you can find the list of products in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through this video. The electric pressure washer coming in at number 5 on our list is the Stanley SHP1600 electric pressure washer. This is a very powerful cleaning tool for almost everything. It's multi-purpose, so useful for a wide range of jobs, such as cars, trucks, ATVs, as well as cement, pools, pavements and much more. The high-pressure soap foam spray makes tough mess and stains easy to remove. It uses a specially designed 18-ounce detergent tank which is included with the washer. This gives quick, deep cleaning. Just rinse off after the foam job is done. The unit's powered by a proven universal 13-amp motor which provides powerful 1600 PSI of cleaning power. The triaxial pressure washer pump and spray gun has 4 different quick change nozzles. It's also supplied with a brass garden hose adapter with filter which gives 32 times the pressure of a standard garden hose. The 30-foot soft flexible pressure hose has a leak-proof brass swivel connection, making it a professional grade accessory. The adjustable spray turbo nozzle lance gives flexibility to tackle all tough jobs. The pressure washer uses 80% less water, so it's great for the environment. The safety gun and safety lock TSS automatically stops when the trigger is not engaged. Blast away dirt, mould and grime to reveal a fresh clean surface. The unit has a portable, lightweight design which is compact at 16 pounds. It can clean surfaces and pressure wash vehicles and is useful for out-of-reach areas and spot cleaning, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. Number 4 is the Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer. This delivers high-pressure cleaning on the toughest jobs and has multiple uses from vehicles and a wide range of cleaning jobs with excellent results. The 25-foot high-pressurized hose is integrated in the design for easy storage. It's easy to wind and unwind, which helps to avoid kinks, and has a 1.4 GPM water flow rate. This is a 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. The water induction motor lowers the temperature for performance and prolongs motor life by 5 times. There's a pull-out filter that can be cleaned and stop dirt damaging the washer. The Vario power spray wand is easy to adjust, and the dirt blaster spray wand quickly tackles every hard job. A simple LED screen shows the current setting. The unit features an onboard removable detergent tank with adjustable flow dial, so the amount of detergent can be controlled. The sturdy wheel and telescopic handle make it easy to move around, plus the handle is on top to help carry. Storage for power and nozzles, plus a mesh pocket for any other spare parts. The Karcher is perfect for every tough and demanding job, giving a great clean. It's super easy to use and a number of accessories are available. The electric power pressure washer coming in at number 3 is the Soinsol Pressure Washer 3800 PSI Electric Power Washer. This tackles a wide range of cleaning jobs, cleaning power for even the most difficult tasks. It suits cars, trucks, boats, fences, patios, outdoor paths and driveways. The spray gun has a safety lock and a unique plug-in, making it safer, waterproof and conveniently reliable. There are 4 nozzle options for the correct angle of spray for the job. 0 is hard to reach places, 15 for concrete, 25 for paint or fences, 40 degrees for windows, and a soap option for foam spraying. The powerful motor generates up to 3800 PSI at 2.6 GPM. The unit can use 380 litres of water per hour, but has an automatic shut-off feature to save energy and to increase pump life. It features double leak-proof hose connectors a metal water outlet to stop breakages, and a water inlet used to a temperature of up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The 20-foot high-pressure hose has a metal connection so no water leaking around the seal. The 35-foot power cable is great for large areas, making the unit flexible for use. It's well designed with an ergonomic handle, sturdy wheels, telescopic rods, and a hook for storage. The Soinsol performs cleaning tasks with ease. It will save you time, energy and money, and comes with a 2-year warranty. Number 2 on our list is the WholeSun 3000 PSI electric pressure washer. This is a washer plus high pressure foam cannon which creates a dense foam and can tackle tough stubborn stains. Great for cement, pavement, pools, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, RVs and more. There's a 20-foot pressure hose with metal connection to avoid water leakage and a 33-foot long power cord used on external outlets. There are 4 quick fit tips from narrow angles to wider fan sprays, so you can pick the one that's best suited for the job you are doing. Combining water and high pressure foam cannon creates a dense foam for greater performance. The unit has a 1600 watt motor and generates 3000 psi, 2.4 GPM. The automatic total stop system prevents accidents as it shuts off when the trigger is not in use, which saves energy and prolongs pump life. It has a metal rod which is easy to use for medium and heavy duty jobs. The unit is easy to assemble and use, more comfortable with less vibrations and noise. It has big wheels for easy manoeuvrability, large enough to keep spinning even over grass, gravel or dirt. And the unit is available in 3 colours, blue, orange or green. The WholeSun easily removes tar, grease, oil and rust, and all sorts of stubborn dirt and stains. It comes with a 2-year warranty. This is an affordable washer that can do many jobs. And finally we come to the number 1 electric power washer. The Joe SPX3000 2030 Max. This unit has the power to tackle a wide range of cleaning jobs, such as trucks, boats, cars, RVs, buildings, driveways and much more, and it's great on stubborn gunk and grime, such as tar, rust, grease, oil and mildew. There are 2 0.9 litre onboard and removable detergent tanks, so you can store 2 different types of detergent at the same time for tackling various projects. The 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor uses a 35-foot power cord and can generate up to 2030 psi of water pressure, which will pump out around 1.76 gallons per minute. The 20-foot high pressure hose also has a 34-inch extension wand. The TSS total stop system is a safety feature that will automatically shut off the pump if the trigger is not engaged, and the wheels on the unit provide easy portability. This unit provides eco-friendly water usage, has 5 quick to connect tips in different degrees of spray nozzle. Easy to use high or low pressure nozzles will suit the job. The unit is powerful and versatile, so easy to use and getting all your dirty work done, from tar on concrete to rust on steel, plus your car is deep cleaned, and comes with a 2-year warranty. That's it. That's the 5 electric power pressure washers which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful power washer tips, do drop it in the comment section below. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.